A Korean comfort dish that is chewy, spicy, and also delicious, tteokbokki. Let's start cooking. Gagamit tayo ng rice flour. So, hindi tayo gumagamit ng malagkit, ha. And what I will do now, I have boiling water and I will measure out by 1/4 cup, no. So, we don't want it to be too mushy as well, di ba? Kasi parang dough-like texture yung gusto natin ma-achieve. And I feel I need a little bit more water. So, ito siya, kailangan mo talagang by feel, no? You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time until you achieve the right consistency. So we have to knead it, no? To let it all come together. It's very important. You really knead your dough properly. And let's start cutting it into like 1 inch, no? Long. Or up to you. And what I will do, I will go to the next step, which is blanch my tteokbokki. At pag medyo lumutang na siya, ibig sabihin, luto na siya. It has to be cooked through, ha? Hindi siya pwedeng sa labas lang luto. Dapat sa loob luto din. Please grab a copy of my cookbooks, Simpol 101, Simple Kitchen Secrets, and Baking Simple, available at Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Kaya add to cart na. Kulong-kulo na at lumulutang na yung ating tteokbokki. Look, oh, diba? It's almost done, but usually may fish cake siya. But I don't have fish cake. So, gagamitin ko is squid ball. O, diba? So, I will just blanch it there. And let's make our sauce as well. I want it spicy. So, I'm using my gochujang, my Korean chili paste, around 2 tablespoons. I will also add soy sauce. You can use Japanese, Korean, or even Filipino soy sauce, no, kung wala talagang iba. Sugar. So, this is around a tablespoon or 2. Pwede mong dagdagan if you want. And some water, no? And I will now add my sauce. Everything's ready. Let it simmer. And I will drain off my tteokbokki and my squid balls. It looks perfect! Simple na simple, di ba? And I will just add a little bit my sesame seeds na dyan. And I have some chopped leeks. And now we're ready to plate. Amoy na amoy ko yung anghang ng aking dish. Garnish, o di ba? Dapat hindi nyo kalimutan. Dapat tikman mo yung gawa mo. And titikman natin yung ating tteokbokki. Achieve ba natin yung texture? Kasi it's really a textural thing, no? So, ito na siya. Annyeongsarap, di ba? Tama ba? Pero, ito na yung ating homemade tteokbokki Simpol!